So today we're gonna see how to make this bucket hat. Very easy and pretty to make, and it's very quick. So I'm using an acrylic yarn, medium worsted and 6mm crochet hook, which is one size larger than the recommended hook in the label. So we'll start by making a magic loop. I'm gonna chain 3. I'm gonna make 6 half double crochet in the first chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So together with the initial chain it will count 7 stitches. I'm gonna join on top of the initial chain 3 with a slip stitch like this. So now when you count the stitches it'll be 7. For that I'm gonna chain 2 and I'm gonna make 2 double crochet in every stitch, and I'm gonna obtain 14 stitches total. So yarn over in the first stitch over here, 2 half double crochet, in the next one 2 half double crochet, and in each one. Don't forget to follow the written pattern for more clarity and for the right numbers as well. All the information will be in the written pattern, including the yarn I have used. And the 2 last, and I'm gonna join on top of the initial chain 2 again. This is my second round. The third round, chain 2, okay, again 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. Now in the next stitch will be 1 half double crochet only. In the next one, 2 half double crochet. In the next one, 1 half double crochet. Like this till the end of the round. 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next stitch. And here I'm gonna join again to the top of the initial chain 2. For round 3, I'm gonna chain 2 again, the same way. Always 2 half double crochet in the first stitch. Now I'm gonna make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So 2 in one, 1 in the next 2 till the end of the round. So 1 here and 1 in the next one, and again 2 half double crochet in the next one. 1 here, 1 here, and 2 in the next one. So I'm gonna continue like this till the end of the round. And in every round I'm gonna increase the single half double crochet by 1. Means in this round it was 1 in the next 2. The next one will be 1 half double crochet in the next 3. After that 1 half double crochet in the next 4 till the 10th round. We're gonna make 10 rounds for the flat circle. For the numbers again and the increase, follow the written pattern so you'll know exactly what to do. I'll also put the link on how to make a flat circle so you can follow along. So I'm gonna finish the 10 rounds and then I'm gonna come back to show you how to do the next step. So here I just finished row 10 and I'm gonna join to the initial chain 2. So I've got my 10 rounds worked, and the last row I did 2 half double crochet in one stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next 8 stitches, and repeat 2 half double crochet in one stitch and 1 in the next 8. So that's for the 10th round. Now I'm gonna show you the next step and how to do this cross stitch. So for the cross stitch we're gonna make total of 4 rounds of cross stitch. That'll start 1 row cross stitch, 1 row single crochet, which is the base of every cross stitch, then another row cross stitch followed by a single crochet round and another cross stitch and another round of single crochet and a cross stitch. Total 4 of each, 4 of rounds of single crochet and 4 of round of cross stitch. So we'll start with a cross stitch. We're gonna chain 2. So this is considered as a stitch, so I'm gonna skip that. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following stitch, and now I'm gonna yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch behind like this, insert the hook and pull through 2 and pull through 2 again. So double crochet worked reversed, and this is the first cross stitch. Next I'm gonna skip again 1 stitch and work 1 double crochet in the next 2. So 1 double crochet, another one, yarn over, come back to the skipped one and work a double crochet like so. I'm gonna do the same for the entire round. So here I'm at the end of the round and I have 1 stitch left. So what I'm gonna do is 1 double crochet only and join to the beginning of the round. For some rounds you might end up with 2 stitches, so what you do, you skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet and cross stitch. So now I'm gonna make 1 round of single crochet. So single crochet in every stitch, single crochet in every stitch till the end of the round. And we're gonna repeat after that the cross stitch round and single crochet, total of 4 times each. Then I'll come back to show you how to shape the brim. So I have finished 4 rounds of cross stitch and single crochet in between, and now we're gonna make the brim of the bucket hat. So what I'm gonna do for the next round is 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and I'm gonna repeat 2 and 1 in the next 5 till the end of the round. So I'm gonna chain 1 in the next stitch, 2 single crochet and 1 in the next 5 stitches. And then again 2 in the next one and 1 in the next 5 stitches. I'll keep repeating till the end of the round. And in the next round we're going to expand the single crochet in every stitch. Don't forget to refer to the written pattern for the right numbers for each round. Now I'm done with the first round of increase, and I'm gonna start my next round. I'm gonna chain 2 again in the first stitch, 2 single crochet, and now 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. So for the whole round, 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches till the end of the round. And for the next round as well, what I'm gonna do is 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 11 stitches. Don't forget to check the written pattern for these numbers. And I'm gonna come back to show you what to do next, because the numbers will change again and we'll work only single crochet. So I'll see you later. So now I have finished the increase. I have done the 3 rounds of increase, and now for the next 6 rounds I'm gonna make single crochet in every stitch only. So next round 1 single crochet in every stitch without any increase, and the next 6 rounds as well. That's it, and the hat will be ready to be worn. I'll show you the end results once I finish the 6 rounds.